So first of all, we understand about that any particular WordPress URL, it index or not. How we can indexing will be start the particular URL in the WordPress website. First of all, we can copy the URL, check the Google search option. So now is not indexing. How we can start the indexing procedure? In this purpose, first we have to any kind of content adding for WordPress, we have refreshing for 3 times using for Control F5 option. First we can using for Control F5, we can refresh for 3 times. After that, select your Google Webmaster. The option name is called URL inspection and paste the URL. They're showing the URL will be Google or not, it index or not, they should give the particular information. The URL not is on Google, requesting for index. So these are steps will be followed for indexing the particular option. So it is going to index here. It taking for 1 minute or 2 minutes time to indexing the particular URL. You wait for the particular time to indexing the URL option. It is done after a few seconds. Got it. Next will be go to for text live URL. After finishing this one, the showing for particular option will be here. So the going to index will be start once again text URL. Why is the text live URL? It is index or not on Google, they will be checking. This indexing process, this will be another time checking the URL for Google is there or not for checking purpose. You have to wait some seconds. Is going to index here. Just you have to take for 1 minute or 2 minutes time. That is called you have to take for some seconds you have spent to activate the live URL for testing purpose. After index will be done, the showing for URL is available onto Google option. After this done, you have to once again refresh for 3 times. Once refresh will be finished, you can refresh for once again. And we can go for once again this option. So it will take time to the indexing the particular URL. It will be now indexing will be start. Just it is taking for less than 10 minutes, the URL will be indexed. If you're not doing this process, it's taking for long time indexing URL on the Google search results. So these are the procedure you compulsory we can follow the particular option.